Hi, uh, we'll start modeling a crate and we'll try to unwrap it and texture it. We'll be using Photoshop and we'll download one image, anything related to the crate. I downloaded this image. You can just type on Google here and just type crate textures and images. You can download any of the images, whichever you like it. I just downloaded because it's a bit of colorful. Now get back to Maya because we have to model it. I'll just activate my channel box, create a box. Once it is done, if you open the options inputs, you can drag and select all the attributes values and click file. It will help you to just type edit in one single go. Once it is done, you can hold X to snap it. So I'll snap it here, snap it. Now once this is done, if you go to Windows, UV texture editor, it's already unwrapped each face. If you check one face, you see this one, this is here, so it's already unwrapped perfectly. But our crate model is not just a box, we need to extrude a bit of it, but still we'll follow the rules of games because our concept is games based models like a poster. So we'll just select this object and go to face mode, drag and select these faces, drag and select all the faces. Next step is I want to extrude each individual face on its own. So go to edit mesh, switch it off. If we switch it off and click on extrude and try to activate the scale option, whichever one is a scale option, click on the box. When you click on the box, you will activate the scale and scale it a little bit down. G, press G so that you can repeat the tool, then push it. Go back to the object. Now you can see a bit of crate impression, but still you can see it's nothing. It's not the same shape. We need some information here, so we are missing the information. Now the next step, how to unfold this. It's very easy, but you need to follow some basic instructions. So deselect the object and double click on this icon. This icon is called smooth UV tool. So double click on it. By default, pin borders is switched off. Click on pin borders. Now I'll select this object. Come back to the UV views, UVs, hold right click and select the UVs, drag and select all the UVs and move your mouse cursor on hold it and drag. Click outside, go to object mode. Now can you see here? Sorry. UV texture editor. See, it's unfolded. Once it is done, see that you are in object mode. Okay, then go to polygons, UV snapshot. You are taking this as a reference snapshot. So click on UV snapshot. I'll save this here, browse. I'll go back to default source images and change as crate reference. I don't use REF, I just use ref. And then by default it will have 250, 256. Change it to 1024 1K resolution and the format from IFF to JPEG, because we can easily open this file in Photoshop and work on it. So click on OK. Once this is done, the file is saved. Go back to Photoshop, go to File, open. Here click on Maya, where will be Maya? It will be documents, my documents. Where are you, Maya? Maya, projects, default, source images, and you can see this is great things. Now you clearly see it's perfect. Now what I'll do, I'll just drag this object JPEG create image on top of my reference image. Hold Ctrl T for transform. If you hold Shift, you can uniformly scale it. Enter. And then if you hold Alt, you can start copying. Okay. You need to work a little bit work on it. Yep. I think I'm happy with it. I don't know, but I'm happy. Save as. You need to save as JPEG. And I'll save in source images, but this time I'll change it to create, not reference. I'll change it to create texture. Okay. Now come back to Maya. Select this object. Create. Right click. Add favorite material. I'll add blend. Once I add the blend, I can see there's a lot of extrudes and all the information. So I can just go to edit, delete by type, history. So it will clean that information. Okay. Sometimes you need to click outside this, but delete the history. And then under color, click on this checker box. If you click on this checker box, it will give us the render nodes, and click on file. It's a 2D texture file, and in image name get that file. Where's the file? It's a create texture. Okay. Here I'll just change it to off. I don't want any filter type. So now the texture map is here, but I can't see it here. You need to press 6 so that you can see the texture. But if you check here, there's some small errors here. Can you see here? You need small adjustments. You can do all this thing in UV texture editor. If you check here, can you see here? So go to UVs, select this UVs, move it up. Generally, if you spend 5 minutes on modeling, you need to spend minimum 10 minutes of texturing. So I'll just do it like this. Just so we need to adjust a little bit of it. I don't know which part this means. Say here. Can you see here? So you need to work a little bit on it. What I'll do, just select all these points, hold shift, drag these points, hold shift and drag these points, so I can select everything at a single go. Now select all these points. Sometimes we need to play a bit of logically. Drag all these points, pull it all the way down here. Here, check it out. Select all these points. Move it all the way down. It takes some time. I can pause it and start doing it and then delete it. But I thought I'll just show you, because you will know that, then you will realize that it's not that easy. You need to spend a little bit of time. You can't just expect everything to be done by the computer. So I'll just move it a little bit down, and I think we are nearly done. Bit of it is here. Yep. Now this basic options. Okay, I'm not working everything perfectly because I'm just showing you. You need to spend more time, then you can get a very amazing results. Just move it down, and finally this is my final adjustment. So I'm adjusting everything using my UVs. Now get back here, object one, right? Okay, still there's some small adjustments you need to work on it because I didn't bother to look into that issue, but somehow I'm not that much concerned about this and I'm just happy with it, right? So hope you enjoy this result and start unwrapping your crate model and complete the first stage 1. Bye.